Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Please share the broadcast. I want to get it out to as many people as possible. And happy Easter. Let's get started. I got an email from a guy requesting information regarding the state of Maine and how to do the application process. Let's get into it. Let's get to it. Go to this website. You got all the info here. Government, business, employment, education, visitors, residents. Okay. It's not on this page. It's going to be on this this other website. Go here to DOT. Transportation. No, it's not here neither. It's going to be here on this page. Now this is the emergency medical transportation here. Go to this page. You're going to have to create an account. This is the only way you're going to have access to the application. Okay, it threw me off when I was looking through it. Now this is another one here. This is for the non-emergency medical transportation. Also, you're gonna have to create an account. You got to go on a portal. Let me go back. This threw me off earlier today. And here they want an application fee, and you got to get bonded. Let's see. Let's get back here. Let me see. What is this one? Contact info. This is a whole different page. This threw me off earlier too. Yeah, we don't want to go there now. But yeah, that has a lot of information too. This is the portal we got to go to here. And let me see. Let me get back here. Application process. Again, boom. This is the portal. Got to create an account in order to get in here. Okay. Alright, so now let me go back. Okay, this is it here. Let me go back one more. Non-emergency medical transportation. This is the one you want here. But the only way to get to it, you got to go to this portal. Okay, you got to go back here to enrollment. Here's the MPI. Gonna go there, sign in. Okay, wait a minute. Go back. Here's the portal. This is the portal here. Go back. It's a little confusing. Oh, you got the billing. Break that down. Enrollment checklist. Check that out. It's 4 pages. Okay, set up the enrollment folder. This is the one you gotta enroll first. Enrollment. Yeah, check that out. Yeah, but you gotta go all the way back to this page. This is where you gotta enroll here. Create an account. You gotta set up an account. Yeah, it gave me the run around. It's a rabbit hole. This is the first portal. We're gonna get on this page, same page. Enrollment. When you go back here, when you go back, non-emergency medical transportation, there it is. Oh, they got a broker list here, breaking down all the brokers. Okay, that's good info. So yeah, you got to get back here. This is the page here. Non-emergency. You cannot get to it unless you set up an account, which is right here. This is it right here. Account. Boom. And I have to create that account in order to get in here. Okay, let's see. Go back. Go back. Application process. Boom. This is another. This is for the license. Okay, account, login, training, lookup. Okay, again, we got to create an account in order to access the application. Everything else is just a lot of information. It leads you away from the application. It's a rabbit hole. But yeah, this is the one we want right here. Create your account. So yeah, that's it. That's it. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Share the video. Till next time, Big Mike, I'm out. Peace.